This is a spy octopus with a hidden camera, sent by researchers to study marine life. One day, a coconut octopus approached it, mistaking it for a friend because they looked alike. When a black tip shark, known for preying on octopuses, came nearby, the coconut octopus quickly needed to hide. It found refuge in a bamboo tube, but the open entrance was not very secure. Just then, the spy octopus arrived with half a coconut shell. The coconut octopus gratefully accepted this and used the shell to seal the entrance, creating a safe hideout. As the black tip shark left without finding any prey, the bond between the creature and the machine grew stronger. However, a fierce underwater storm was approaching. Hiding in the coconut shell was risky, so the coconut octopus squeezed into a bag that had sunk to the ocean floor. Meanwhile, the spy octopus struggled, unable to move except for going forward or backward, now drifting helplessly with the current. Seeing this, the coconut octopus left the safety of the bag, retrieved the coconut shell and some shells, and swam over to the spy octopus, using its tentacle to pull it back and secure it by its side.